What if ants start building their own civilization just like humans? Yes, this channel go fastly uploading AI generated videos, and you can also make such videos easily. First of all, let me analyze this channel. Hello GPT, can you tell me about this channel by analyzing it? GPT, will you give the complete process in which you can overview the channel content style? Also make points. I want to make a videos like this channel, and please generate a storyline for me. Brother, I want to generate scene by scene images on this story script. So please give me prompt and video prompt also. Simply copy the story from here and paste here. Like GPT, will you generate prompt as well as video form? So you have to open your Google Flow image and video generating tool. Now you have to copy the image from here and paste here, which will generate high resolution images for you. You have to generate all images one by one. Now from here we to generate the video. Simply click on three dot on your right side image and select animate. Now you to copy the image prompt from here and paste here. With this Google Flow will generate high quality videos for you. In this way, image by image video has to be generated through this process. After generating all videos, downloading them, open CapCut and adjust the video. You have generated in timeline, and here you will see watermark. Simply you have to crop and scale up video, and background music automatically add flow your video. Finally check the result.